to our lives. Guide us and make us follow your plan. Give us strength, give us courage today, that we might extol you, that we might unfold your love in our lives. Helping Father, please be with us, for we would run and not grow weary, we would run and not faint. We seek your strength in our lives. We seek the hope you bring to us. We need you.